The head of Ukrainian military intelligence, Kirill Budanov, announced new surprises in Crimea. "You'll see in a few days," promised the head of GUR. Maybe someone will say that this kind of statement spoils the element of surprise. But until now, Budanov showed that he keeps his promises and Russians will live in paranoia anyway. Bulgaria will supply Ukraine with about 100 units of Soviet-style armored vehicles in the autumn, said the country's defense minister. Their transmission may begin in late September, early October. The process is slowed down due to the fact that the equipment is still in the warehouses of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Bulgaria. In the Belgorod People's Republic, windows in a school building were covered with sand before the start of the new school year. By the way, the school curriculum of military training in the Russian Federation will include firing live cartridges and UAV training. Use of drones, reconnaissance algorithms for countering enemy drones. Anxious or something? Breaking news. Russian propagandists admit Russian authorities lie to their population.
Заботы о национальной безопасности можно обосновать любые запреты и практически любые формы насилия. Теперь что и поэтому нужно что из этого следует? Какие соблазны?
Забота о национальной безопасности не означает необходимость лгать. Можно просто не обозначать.
Для кого-то обозначает, а для кого-то не обозначает. Понимаете? Дело тут вот.
А что вы скажете за наше правительство?
Любое правительство, любая власть, любая.
То есть наше правительство,
и Владимира Ильича
если
тоже.
имеет право лгать, лжет.
Любая власть.
И наше правительство, которое находится на набережной,
да, в Советском Союзе.
Этим пользоваться.
Мне задали вопрос. Или вам?
Нет, мне нравится это общий формул.
Он развивает ваше допущение и обобщение. Вы начали, я объясню вам. Вы начали с очень хорошего обобщения и допущения.
Александр Георгиевич, любая власть.
То есть
так или иначе, в какое-то время, в какие-то моменты говорить неправду своему народу. Так устроен вообще. Если вы верите, что есть какая-то власть в любой стране мира, которая никогда не лжет и не кривит душой со своим народом, то вы, наверное, самый наивный человек на свете.
One 155mm gun replaces 3 to 4 152mm guns, said the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense, and added that Russia has lost its advantage in artillery. The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine announced that the occupying Russian army had already lost its advantage in artillery at the fronts. This was achieved thanks to the wider use of 155 caliber artillery by the defense forces of our country. According to Volodymyr Gavrilov, deputy head of the Defense Department, every 100 barrels of 155 caliber is the same as 300 to 400 barrels of 152 caliber used by the occupiers. Actually, today we are balanced with Russian artillery due to the better quality of our artillery, more accurate, more reliable, more modern. And this balance is strategically important. Russia has lost its advantage in artillery as it started this war, although it has more barrels, noted the representative of the Ministry of Defense. Russian propagandist Solovyev shows what he's really worried about. It's not drone attacks on Russia. Watch till the end.
Это не только в Подмосковье беспилотники. Также атака и в Черном море, атака там в губерниях. Мерседес, БМВ, Ауди, Фольксваген объявляют своими врагами русский народ. Эти подонки годами зарабатывали здесь деньги. Теперь они говорят, все, мы взяли и отключили.
Russia. Giant fire at a chemicals warehouse in Noginsk, Moscow region. On fire is an area of 1 acre. Helicopters already dumped over 345 tons of water in 69 runs. And a giant pillar of smoke rises above the Chelyabinsk iron and steel works. Mysterious fires are continuing, and no one knows why so many Russian factories, warehouses, and other strategic objects are constantly on fire. a Russian command post destroyed with HIMARS in Tokmak. The video that the occupiers are now publishing on their public pages, with this or something like this caption, "There is no way in war without humor." Such videos are nothing more than a normalization of looting, which the Russians apparently decided not to hide anymore, and are now trying to turn it into a joke. Military air conditioning, Ukrainian humor. Ukrainian lightweight buggy armed with a roof-mounted U.S.-supplied Mk-1940 mm automatic grenade launcher in service with the 36th Marine Brigade. The Marines reportedly use it as a highly mobile indirect fire platform. Putin's double has been doing such a great job all this time and then gave up the game the instant he tried to find his watch on his left hand, since real Putin wears his watch on his right. During his visit to Denmark, President and Mrs. Zelensky met with Queen Margrethe II and members of the Danish royal family. The Queen presented the President with a Tree of Life painting she painted herself. Outside, a huge crowd cheered for Ukraine. Ukrainians are so grateful for support.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.